Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be transforming into Gal Gadot, so let's get started. I'm starting by applying foundation mixed with moisturizer to create a smooth, radiant base, just like Gal Gadot's warm, olive-toned complexion. Her skin has a natural, healthy glow, and this combination will help achieve that even, luminous finish. Now, I'm using a cream bronzer to shape Gal Gadot's nose. Her nose is sleek and refined, with a straight bridge and a subtle rounded tip. I'm applying the bronzer along the sides to create that delicate tapered look, aiming for a smooth, natural contour that enhances its elegance without being too sharp. Next, I'm moving on to her eyelids and eyes using the same cream bronzer. Gal Gadot's eyes are striking and expressive, so I'll apply the bronzer to create depth and definition. I'm focusing on the crease and outer corners to enhance the almond shape, giving her that captivating look. This will help achieve the soft, sultry effect that frames her beautiful brown eyes perfectly. I've added a few more shades around my face to create dimension and define my features. This technique helps sculpt my cheekbones, refine my jawline, and highlight the high points of my face, similar to Gal Gadot's striking look. By carefully placing these shades, I'm aiming for that balanced, elegant contour that enhances my overall transformation. Then I blend and add more if needed. I'm focusing on the nose contour now. I added a darker shade in the area between my eyes and a bit above and below the tip of my nose to create a slimmer appearance. I also applied it above my nostrils to further define the shape. Blending is key here to ensure everything looks seamless and natural. I'm now applying the darker contour to other areas of my face. This adds extra depth and sharpness to my cheekbones, jawline, and forehead, further enhancing the sculpted look. The deeper shades bring out those strong, defined features, creating that balanced, refined effect like Gal Gadot's overall facial structure. As always, blending is key for a natural yet striking finish. Now I'm focusing on the mouth contour, applying a darker shade around the chin and under the lips to create more definition. This helps refine the overall structure, making the lips appear fuller and more balanced, just like Gal Gadot's soft yet defined mouth, blending it all for a smooth, natural finish. Now I'm working on the eyes using a small brush to apply product along the lash line. This adds definition and enhances the eye shape, helping to create that soft yet intense look Gal Gadot is known for. Now, I'm moving on to the eyebrows using the same product. I'm gently filling in and shaping them to match Gal Gadot's defined yet natural brows. Her brows have a soft arch and are slightly fuller, so I'm focusing on creating that balanced, structured look while keeping the strokes light for a natural finish. This step frames the eyes and adds to the overall polished look. I've now added some color to the lips using a mix of shades from my lip palette. I'm layering different tones to create dimension and highlight the center of the lips, giving them a fuller, more defined look. This technique mimics Gal Gadot's soft, natural lip shape, adding just the right amount of depth and glow for a balanced, polished finish. I added a few strokes of hair with a darker liquid liner for a more realistic eyebrow look. I've added highlights with a light stick foundation to the high points, forehead, nose, chin, and cheekbones, and blended it in for a bright, lifted effect. This adds dimension and enhances the overall sculpted look. I've added a cream blush using a stippling brush, keeping it light and natural for a fresh rosy glow. This enhances my cheeks without overpowering the look, creating that soft, radiant finish. I've added baking powder, focusing mainly on the T-zone while also highlighting my jawline. This helps set the makeup and ensures a smooth, matte finish in those areas, enhancing the overall structure of my face. Next, I've cut the jawline to match Gal Gadot's face, as this step is crucial for achieving that defined look. It sharpens the jawline and enhances the overall contour, making the transformation even more striking. After perfecting the jawline, I highlighted the chin to make it stand out. This adds a touch of brightness and further enhances the definition of my facial features, creating that polished look similar to Gal Gadot's. I added highlights with a light concealer under the eyebrows, in the inner corners of the eyes, and on the Cupid's bow. This creates a clean, bright effect that defines the features and enhances the overall look. More powder contour to enhance the definition and to make my face look a tad bit more narrow. I applied a well-coated layer of mascara to my lashes for added volume and length. This gives the eyes a more dramatic look, perfectly complementing the overall transformation. I usually do this step earlier, but I felt it was necessary to add some eyeshadow now. I warmed up my eyelids with brown eyeshadow in the crease and along the lower lash line for added depth and dimension. This enhances the overall look and complements the rest of the makeup beautifully. Then I added a bit of shimmery highlight to the inner corners of my eyes, brow bone, tip of the nose, and bridge. I also dusted a light layer in the center of my forehead to create a rounder look, plus highlights on the Cupid's bow, bottom lip, chin, and cheekbone. This brings a soft glow and dimension to my face, enhancing the overall transformation. I finished the look with a brown pencil to enhance the defined corners of my mouth, the bottom lip, the tip of my nose, and the area between and under my eyes. After fixing my hair, this is the final look. I hope you liked this transformation. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Till the next one, bye.